is Angeline and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to another Sew Sundays. So we are not going to do too much talking. We're going to jump right into the tutorial. So what I have already done off camera is I've cut out 3 pieces. So I have 2 cotton pieces and I have a stabilizer on the back. My measurements are 5.5 by 11. Okay, so the first step we're going to do is, because I want to have my project ending off with like a curve for the top portion. So what I'm going to do is fold the piece in half. I'm going to grab a circular shape. I grab this little elastic that I had here. I'm going to place it at the edge of the piece here, and I'm going to trace around the shape. And this will allow me to create that curve that I want. So as you can see, I have this little arch here. So what I'm going to do is carefully cut all of these pieces together. Perfect. And now we have something that looks like this. So once you have cut off the curve here, now we are going to sew all the way around here. We're going to sew here and stop. We're going to back stitch right here. We're going to skip about 1 inch or so, back stitch right here, and then we're going to continue to sew until we get all the way around. Okay, so let's go to the sewing machine. I'm sorry, y'all. I thought I was recording, but it turns out that I was not. But no problem. I'll show you guys what I did. So as I stated, to start sewing here and then back stitch. That's why you see it's kind of like doubled or thickened the lines. I'm sure you can see the difference. So I also skipped this part here, obviously, and then I started sewing here again, then I back stitch, and then I just continued to go until I got all the way back around. So now what we can do is, okay, I want to make sure I can put my finger in there. Now what we can do is cut off the corners, just so it's an easier turnaround. And you can also cut off this extras on the sides. You don't need that. So we can cut that off as well. And this will allow our project to lay a bit flatter. And you won't have to deal with all the bulkiness on the edges. So just continue to sew, continue to cut, until you get all the way around. Okay, so once I turn my fabrics right side out, I did iron it down. As you can see, it's very flat and it's going to be easy to sew. So the next thing we need to do is we need to close up this hole here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my piece back to the sewing machine. I'm going to do a top stitch going all the way around so that I can close up this hole. So once I have top stitched all the way around and close up my hole, I took a small piece of elastic like so, folded it in half, and now I'm going to place it down on my fabric about here. Pull up the bottom of the fabric piece, just making sure everything is inside before we straight stitch going down, and then I left a little part here open for my flap. So next step we're going to do is we're going to sew a straight stitch on both sides to finish off the project. Right, so once we have sewn both of our sides down, I am now going to add my snaps. These are a variety of different plastic snaps that I purchased off Amazon. So what you want to have is 2 flat pieces, and then you want to have your male snap and your female snap. So the one that has like the indentation in there, and then this is the one that goes inside of the other. I folded my piece in half to find the middle of the my bag. Just press it down a little bit, and then we got that little indentation there, and I'm just going to put it about right here. I'm going to use this tool to poke a hole through. You're going to grab your flat piece, place that on top, pull it through the hole, and then you're going to take either your male snap or your female. It is your preference whether you want to place your male or female snap on the top. So you're just going to press it down a little firmly. And now we need to make an indentation here so that we can place our second piece on. I just want to make sure that it matches. And then I'm going to poke that hole for the second layer and repeat the same steps. But this time I want to place my flat piece in the inside, so it's going to be on the bottom. Place the last piece on. Grab your tool and press it down firmly. Okay, and that completes our project. Now we can add our snap down and we can see how the finished project looks. So that is it. Quick, easy, simple. I hope that you all will give it a try. And because I did add this elastic piece on the side, you can either add a keychain charm on the side of it. You can add you a wristlet scrunchie on the side, or you can just add a salad flat key fob keychain like I added on this project. Okay, so I hope that you all learned something new. If you give it a try, make sure you tag me. I would love to see your creations. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. Take that sewing machine out that box and create something. Until next time, bye.